don't just practice on flight simulators all the time. Go out, spend time flying your helicopters, fly at least 4 to 8 batteries, like 4 to 8 flights almost every day, and you will see the progress is really very noticeable. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, Ali Shamal here. I believe this is the third flight of GooSky RS4 for today. I've increased the agility, head speed, and aileron elevator speed a little bit more. Let's hope everything goes right. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now it is much more agile than I thought. Too agile for me now, so I'm gonna decrease the agility and speed a little. Now the best thing about GooSky helicopters is you have the Bluetooth connection and Android app that can immediately, set the speed, and you can just tweak the parameter immediately. So GooSky, connect to GooSky Android, parameter tuning, I'll set to 54, 55 maybe, before was 54, and agility was 63, so I'll just put it to 62 now on aileron elevator, which was kind of like getting default on 6 blinks. Okay, we'll say save successful, and get out of the Bluetooth. That's all. The settings are done. Let's fly and see how it goes. Okay, this agility level and this level of speed on aileron and elevator, I believe it's fine. I just need to get used to these, you know, responses, and I'll be able to pull full pyro flip, inshallah, and do much more. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have fun, people, and see, practice does make perfect. I've been practicing on flight simulators, and one thing I just realized: don't just practice on flight simulators all the time. Go out, spend time flying your helicopters, fly at least 4 to 8 batteries, like 4 to 8 flights almost every day, and you will see the progress is really very noticeable. And that's what I'm doing nowadays. I flew 4 batteries on S2 Legend, and I see you have watched those videos that I have been pulling some of these pyro flips properly on that one. And this one, of course, I'm still tweaking until it gets to those taste and that feel of practice that I'm doing on flight simulator and other helicopter. And I will be able to do this on this one as well. I spent about 3 batteries, 3 flights on this today. Well, now I have to catch up with the meeting. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. GooSky, thank you very much for making such an amazing 3D helicopter. Can't wait to see what's coming next from GooSky. I believe there should be something big. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.